Hey guys, I'm here at the Shanghai Zoo, and no, we're not gonna go to the zoo today. I'm right outside, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna ride a shared bike. So this is something pretty unique to China because of how the system works. A lot of other places have tried these shared bikes, but have decided against them because with them being dockless, you could park them anywhere, and it does sort of make the cityscape look less appealing, but the convenience definitely is there. Is it worth it? Chinese people think it's worth it, but maybe other people will think it's too messy. So anyway, I'll show you what the whole experience is. You can see there are blue ones and yellow ones. Blue ones are the Alipay bikes, and you need to use your Alipay app to scan them, and the yellow ones are Meituan bikes, so you need your Meituan app to scan them. Here's the one I picked, and what you do is you use your Meituan app to scan that QR code and it unlocks. Then you just go ahead and ride it. So now we're gonna get you guys on the Insta360. Alright, let's go for a ride. Gotta adjust the seat to my height. Test the brakes. All right, let's go. And I have to outrace this garbage truck. Well, that was a bit of a close call. All right, that police officer there is not gonna let me ride on the crosswalk. So we're gonna wait for the green light and walk it over. All right, green light for me. Walk to the middle and right away. So we go about 20 kilometers per hour on this thing, and that's why the e-scooters are blowing right by us, because those things can go about 40 kilometers per hour. So it's not the fastest thing, but it's also not the slowest. You see that lady in the hat? That's that wicked passer. This is like absolute top speed for me already. Okay. Really like how close that armored truck was to me. Granted, I was outside the bike lane. Okay. Next mission is to make that green light. I made it. So this whole journey is about 2 kilometers. It's a straight shot, just right down this road, no turns. And we are sort of close to our destination. Oh, coming up on a yellow light, but what happens next is going to be protected left turns, which means once this car clears, we could sneak in and go. Yeah, traffic laws don't really apply to mopeds and bicycles in China. I've never heard of anyone getting caught running red lights, but you still got to be careful, of course. We can just take it easy because there's a pretty long red light up ahead. On the right, you see the MixC Mall coming up, one of the biggest malls in Shanghai. We're gonna wait here in the shade under the tree. This is not a red light we can run. That's a major thoroughfare called Wuzhong Road. I rode the bike from Shanghai Zoo because it saves time. I could have also just taken the subway to the MixC Mall, but that would have been 3 more stops with 1 additional transfer. So yeah, I guess, I mean, by biking I save about maybe 2-3 minutes. But it just feels better, you know? Coming up on the last 10 meters or so, and we're gonna find a place to park. Up. I'm letting you go, I'm letting you go. Keep going. Damn, this is it. So there you have a first-hand look at riding a shared bike in Shanghai. I use it a lot, so every day I ride about maybe 2 times to 4 times a day on average. It's just a really convenient way to get around. And once you turn it, lock it, and then yeah, it's there for someone else to use. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.